Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make a commercial video using LightMV. First, go to its official website, then choose Product Video Promotion Template, then hit Select button. After that, click the Upload button at the upper right corner of the interface. Then choose a video that you want to add in your commercial. Once file added, drag and drop the video to the box, then trim it. Then, edit the captions in each scene according to your choice. Once completed, click the Produce button to create your video and wait for it to be processed. Lastly, click the Download button to save the video on your computer. And that's how you create commercial video using LightMV. Thank you for watching.